Good evening again, and it is evening. I am here putting 2 strand twists in my hair. Why? I don't know. I really don't. But before I go any further, let me thank my subscribers for your support. Thank you for liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate you. I couldn't do it without you. I've reached 700 and I am so happy about it. But I was looking at some videos in reference to barrel rolls, and that looked a bit complicated to me. And I got in the mirror and decided that, and I really didn't, it wasn't like I decided, like I said, okay, I'm going to make this decision to, no, that's not what happened. I just started doing 2 strand twists in my hair. And I'm going to show you this part right here that I've done already. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I put my goodie clip on the end. What am I going to do with this tomorrow morning? I don't know. But if you have watched this video this far, it tells me that you're a little bit interested. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, come on, join the Gene G family. Click on that subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know when I am uploading another video. When I am giving myself work to do that I really don't need to do. So here we go. I'm going to show you how I do this row of 2 strand twists. Of course, you know I don't need a comb. I think that's a little bit high. But anyway, I don't know how many twists I am grabbing. I'm just feeling for a certain amount. And then I'm spraying it with water. I like mist. Taking my time. And 2 strand twists. Same way I used to do when I was a loose natural. Except that the twists are a little bit longer. My Sisterlocks looks like they may have been combined. I'm going to come back and let you see what it looks like when I finish the front. Okay, I'm back. I have done this side and the top. I'm going to show you what this looks like as it hangs. And I still don't know what I'm going to do with it. I don't know if I'm just going to wear 2 strand twists hanging down, and what I am going to do with these twists. But we shall see. And I'll come back tomorrow morning and let you know how I am going to wear my hair. Yes, see you in the morning. I almost forgot to come back and let you see what I decided to do tonight. Now, I don't know what this is going to look like tomorrow morning, but right now, I like this a lot. I like it a lot. I won this jewelry from Salon, and I'll make sure. I think I have to do this one over. It's too big. I'm going to do this one over because it's too big, and then I'm going to slide it on up. I'm going to show you that when I come back exactly what I did. And I'm just so happy to finally be able to use this jewelry that I won in a contest on YouTube. I'll be back with you in a few minutes. I did say that I would come back, and I have already divided that big twist. Going to see how it's going to work on this one. 1, 2, 3. I have one more. I think I'm going to use it on this. I'll see you in the morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I hope that everyone is doing well. Trying to get this necklace on. I'm going to pull this cap off of my head and let you see what I have today. If you're with me, thank you very much. You've known that I did a 2-strand twist on my hair last night. I am going to wear this today. I am wearing Simone. I'll put the correct name right here in front of me. I am wearing my lock jewelry that I won from her. Finally, I am wearing these. It has been, I don't know how long it's been that I won these, but I am so grateful that I have found a way to use it. I'm going to turn around to let you see what my hair looks like now. Let you see it in the back. And that's what I look like today. And this is what I am going to wear. I'm going to try to keep it back out of my face. And I am wearing 2-strand twists. Yes, I am. In my Sisterlocks. Yes. Yes. I hope you like it, because I do. It sort of like tames my hair a little bit. Last night when I twisted my hair, I tried to twist it with some tension, I guess I could say, going as I twisted, because I knew that it was going to drop. And this is the look that I've got this morning. I didn't know the look I was going for. I didn't. But I'm happy with the way that it looks. And I'll be wearing this for a few days, if not more. It all depends on how my grays treat me. Notice how my grays are behaving. That's because it hadn't been that long since I had a retightening. And I like this. Yes, I do. Have a great day. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my family and my friends. I love my followers and my subscribers. And I especially love God. For as in the devotional that I participated in this morning with Barbara Oliver, my God is a deliverer. He is a deliverer. And I can think of so many things that he has delivered me from. And today I am grateful. Have a great day.